Hello guys, welcome to my channel Ismail Bajarla. In this video, I'm gonna tell you what is SQL and its features. So let's get started. Before knowing SQL, we need to know about three things. That is database, database management system, and relational database management system. Coming to the database, it is the organized collection of structured information or data, and it is stored in the form of tables. For example, here I'm having a table with customer ID, customer name, address, and his phone number. This is the shipping, that means this is for the Amazon or Flipkart data of the customer. In this form, the tables are created in a particular database, and usually it is controlled by DBMS. And the data is basically stored in electronic computers only, basically in our computer systems. And coming to the database management system, as in previous, we know that this is the data and this is the database. For to manage, that means for to modify the data or keeping the data in a computerized system, we need a database management system. And RDBMS is similar to the DBMS, but in the tables there is a relation between each and every table, so it manages the data between them, so it is called RDBMS. And coming to the SQL, and SQL is a structured query language. By writing the queries, we are getting the output and modifying the data in the DBMS. And SQL can be able to access the data in the DBMS, and it can modify and update and create the databases. And it is developed by the IBM in 1970s. And first of all, it named as R language, and then after few years it named as SQL, that means structured query language. And these are the features of SQL. And SQL is for the data analyst and for the program analyst. These fields can be used this language. And how to get started means anyone with little or no programming experience or no programming language or things, they can get started with the SQL. And it is just like a normal speaking English. And the best thing is it's a non-procedural language. The procedural language means in C language we can see we supposed to have hash include, int main, void main, like this. After that the code is started. This is a procedure in other languages, but in here we don't need to follow any procedure like that. And coming to the create and manipulate, we can use to create the databases, tables, views, schemas, and more in the SQL. And coming to the manipulate, we can add the records, delete the records, update the data, insert the data, and remove the data. We can do all the operations in the SQL. And there are a lot more variants for the SQL, like MySQL is there, Microsoft SQL Server is there, and DB2 language is there, PostgreSQL is there, MongoDB, MariaDB. These are all the variants which is having SQL as their language, but there are very little changes between these languages. The core structure is basically the SQL only. Thank you for watching this video. In upcoming videos, we are going to know how to learn SQL and where to get started and what are the platforms we need and what are the things that we are going to do in next videos. Thank you for watching this video. Please do share, like and subscribe to Ismail Bajarla.